Hi guys, my name is Kiki. For those of you who are stopping by for the very first time, so this is me enjoying a Coca-Cola. You know me by now if you know that I love Coke, Diet Coke especially, or Coke Zero. And it's a cold winter morning, and I'm in my sister's backyard, and I'm just watching my dog and her dog, the brown Labrador. His name is Maverick. I'm just watching them playing and just enjoying themselves out here, you know. Happy doesn't get to run around in anybody's backyard oftenly, and this was just nice for him to run around and chase Maverick. A lot of people tell me that I spoil my dog or that my dog is spoiled, but look at it this way. Happy is just a chapter in my life, but in his life, I'm the whole book. I'm the whole book. And dogs really do live to make us happy every day, every minute. Every minute. You'll take the trash out, come back, he's happy to see you. You'll step out of the door, come back, he's happy to see you. So if I do spoil my dog, that's okay. He doesn't have long to live. Dogs don't live long, you know. You were blessed to have a dog that lives for 15 years. They don't live that long.
Maverick is running for his life. It's so funny to me. The other day, Maverick is the one who was chasing Happy, and now Happy's like, okay, I'm well rested. I got time for you. Come on. Come on. You want to chase me? I'm going to chase you today. Guys, they're behind this shed. Maverick, Happy. Go back. Look at this little one. Run, Maverick, run.
Now, you may ask yourself, why did I make this short clip? I made this short clip or short video so that they will forever be with us. Forever. They will always be with us because of these memories.